How to become a Bitcoin millionaire. According to Robert Kiyosaki, you need to find what you are good at and find how to make money doing it. You can start by investing earlier by establishing an extra income stream such as Bitcoin trading. You should challenge the idea of trading and invest in stocks and bonds if you want to become a Bitcoin millionaire. Robert Kiyosaki also said that cryptocurrencies are among the futuristic investments that can stand out when the real estate and gold market crashes. Right now, cryptocurrencies are still untested, yet the world is moving towards crypto, and if you have noticed, there's a fight between the old and young generation about the impact of cryptocurrencies. Crypto is now challenging fiat currencies such as the US dollar. So what are Robert Kiyosaki's Bitcoin predictions? Robert believes that there is always an entry into buying Bitcoins, and it is never too late to invest in cryptocurrencies. For instance, he bought his coins when the value was at US 9,000, and at the time, he thought that that was not a good deal. But since his fortune has grown to US $50,000, his faith in the currency has grown, and he wishes he had invested earlier when the cryptocurrency was at 10 cents. He has noted that cryptocurrencies will stand when the US dollar loses value due to inflation. Looking at the history, gold has stood the test of time as the most valuable asset, but cryptocurrency might outperform it. As time goes on, many governments might try to regulate Bitcoin, but it will have little impact on its value as the coin already has impacted the financial sector. For instance, many people have invested their pensions in cryptocurrencies, and baby boomers do not have money. Therefore, it is reasonable to get tighter regulations in the future, but the government will not do away with the cryptocurrency altogether. Your first steps in becoming a millionaire or even billionaire with Bitcoin is to create a portfolio. Creating a cryptocurrency portfolio translates into compound annual growth, which can propel you into billionaire status. Although Bitcoin projects might vary greatly, assuming the prices will rise to about 45,000 yearly, it will earn you 275,000 Bitcoin in 5 years. Although other competitor cryptocurrencies such as Ether might seem to have higher returns, they are unstable and pose a higher risk, as they fall more swiftly if the prices fall. Thus, you can easily become a billionaire with Bitcoin, but if you want to adjust the risks associated with cryptocurrencies, you can go for 60% Bitcoin and 40% Ether investment. Note that you can earn interest on earnings. What do I mean by this? You can become a Bitcoin millionaire within a specific period. You will need to invest a certain amount to make you a billionaire. It is easy to become a millionaire with annual compounding as your investment can earn interest. For instance, you can become a billionaire in 5 years by investing about $36,000 in Bitcoin each year. But if you put the same amount of money in the bank, you can earn about $295,000 only within the same period. Thus, Bitcoin investment is the best way to become a millionaire within a short duration. Again, it is the best plan as the banking system is likely to undergo a serious crisis due to inflation and loss of value for most fiat currencies. Let's put everything together. If Bitcoin can reach $1 million in 2025 as expected, you can get an annual growth of 86%, which is impossible in the bank. Thus, you can invest in Bitcoin every month. As experimental calculations show, the more you invest, the higher the chance of becoming a millionaire. Consistency is key with Bitcoin investments as it makes it easier to track expected growth. You should take advantage of the price changes and invest when there is a high possibility of high returns. Remember to cut your risks. You can take advantage of prices through crypto arbitrage, a form of investment that happens when the prices are favorable. Bitcoin experiences price disparities across the exchange platform, and the durations are short, lasting a few minutes when the cryptocurrencies will be at different rates simultaneously. Thus, you can buy Bitcoins at the lowest price and sell them on another exchange platform with the highest price. This makes it possible to get profits quickly and become a millionaire in a short period. You can use up-to-date market forecasts, which will show accurate price movements and trading robots, which allows users to leverage the best price deals in the market. Most market indicators are fully automated using a special algorithm to detect the best opportunities, making it possible to profit on the platforms. If you can track Bitcoin prices, you can find the best deals that make it possible to become a millionaire quicker. Again, you can allow the predictor apps to perform Bitcoin arbitrage as they have a 98% win and allows you to focus on your job. Arbitrage is not affected by market voluntarily, allowing you to make profits at the least risk. The next step is always monitor your profits. You can predict the number of returns you can acquire from trading with high-level accuracy by monitoring your profits frequently. Leading exchanges can lead to profitable outcomes depending on the profit ratio and the investment size. Thus, if the profit return is high, you would go for a large investment, resulting in higher returns. You can effectively plan and make the most of Bitcoin investment by monitoring your investment. The purchasing and mining of Bitcoins are based on risk calculations, and effective monitoring means you can get higher returns in the long term. Always ensure that you secure your capital. The security of Bitcoin should be a priority if you want to be a millionaire, as the investment could be disastrous due to unforeseen risks, hacks, and scams. You should go for a reputable licensed crypto arbitrage trading platform, which is difficult to hack. For instance, it would be wise to store the funds in a Bitcoin wallet on the exchange platform or opt for cold storage offline. You should stay up to date with the latest news about Bitcoin safety and insights into growing your investment. Bitcoin has several security levels, but it would be better to incorporate other security measures which prevent capital loss. Another way to accumulate Bitcoins is by mining and trading Bitcoins. Mining Bitcoins can earn you money as long as the market is active. However, mining can be tough, but it is worth it. It might take some time to mine a single Bitcoin, and your computer might become noisy and heat up. But with some serious computing power, you may make money easy here. However, you will make millions easily with Bitcoin through prominent exchanges such as Coinbase. A question everyone asks is, will Bitcoin be the future? Bitcoin might be the future, and if you strategize mining and trading, you can become a billionaire with the cryptocurrency. If you earn a reasonable profit on Bitcoin, you can invest in other financial sectors, leading to more profits. Since Bitcoin is prone to risks and price fluctuations, it would be better to take some of the benefits from trading to make personal investments in other currencies such as Litecoin and Ethereum. Diversifying into cryptocurrencies increases the chances of making profits from cryptocurrency exchange. Cryptocurrencies might be the future financial players, and almost all bankers on Wall Street know about it. The only problem is how long it will take before it overcomes the banks and formal currencies. So what are my final thoughts? People might be skeptical of the possibility of making $1 million from Bitcoins, but you should not let the naysayers deter you from investing in Bitcoins. Bitcoin might be the future, and soon it completely takes over the currencies. However, you can become a millionaire if you strategize the investment plan by mining and trading Bitcoins at a favorable price. You should secure a Bitcoin capital, check your profits frequently, and monitor the market. Again, you can cut your risks by taking advantage of price disparities and investing in other cryptocurrencies, increasing the chance of becoming a millionaire. Furthermore, you can increase your profits by investing in meaningful small businesses other than cryptocurrencies. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If this video was helpful to you, please give this video a thumbs up. This will help us create more videos that aim to help your life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Do ensure that you subscribe for more content like this in the future.